Hi everyone, my name is Alex. I'm an Associate Portfolio Manager at Global X, and today we're going to be talking about Intel. Investors and consumers alike probably remember Intel as a global chip-making powerhouse. 3 years ago, the company was worth nearly triple what it's worth today. And today, it's fending off offers for acquisitions. The question is, how did we get here? Intel's core business is central processing units, or CPUs. And in the early 2000s, the company tried to also gain some market share in the cell phone chip-making business, but was ultimately unsuccessful in gaining any meaningful space. Additionally, Intel wanted to design and manufacture its own chips, rather than outsourcing the manufacturing to third-party foundries. As a consequence, manufacturing issues led to a gradual loss of market share to its main competitor, AMD. To make matters worse, Intel hasn't been participating on any meaningful scale in the parallel computing space, or in other words, the market of AI chips. Pat Gelsinger came on as CEO in February of 2021 with a fairly ambitious objective: for Intel to become the world's second largest foundry by 2030. This objective would supposedly be reached by breaking out the business into two distinct units, one focused on manufacturing and one focused on design. This plan requires, and continues to require, significant investment into new factories, but Intel has been unsuccessful in actually securing large customer contracts thus far. As costs continue to rise, the demand for AI exploded, and as a consequence, Intel's lack of participation in the space really started to show. In an attempt to cut costs, Intel laid off 15,000 people and suspended dividends. Post that release, the stock went down over 20% in after-hours trading. It's not all doom and gloom though. Apollo Global Management has allegedly come forward with an up to $5 billion equity-like investment, and Qualcomm has even approached Intel for a potential acquisition. It remains to be seen whether Intel can right the ship, but it's definitely a name that we're going to keep an eye on. So we've kept our eye on it. On December 2nd, Intel announced that Pat Gelsinger is actually going to be retiring. This doesn't really come as that much of a surprise given the tumultuous nature that he's had as CEO. Markets seem to like that news, with Intel trading 5% higher that day, albeit some of those gains have already been erased. Thanks for watching, and for more information, go check out our website at globalx.ca.